Not long ago, I have provided you guys with a workaround for Google Maps in standalone mode.
You see the message popping up, and there's another message that keeps coming up. It says connect to your phone.
For your Galaxy Watch 4, 5 Pro, of course, included.
Couldn't start navigation. I had the same issue earlier. Don't know what's happening here.
Well, lo and behold, that option, that workaround is no longer needed because Google has finally pulled their finger out of their. Navigate to the General Hospital. If you have a Galaxy Watch 4, 5 or indeed a Pixel Watch, you will now be able to use Google Maps in, yes, I said it, in standalone mode. Standalone means there is no phone nearby and it isn't connected via Wi-Fi or anything in the sky mysterious in order to.
Couldn't start navigation. I had the same issue earlier. Don't know what's happening here. What does it mean and why do we have to do this? So apparently, and according to Samsung, when your watch is disconnected from your phone for a certain amount of time, this message will pop up. It's some sort of synchronization issue, GPS and what have you.
You take your watch out, you go running, hiking, you name it, and off you go. You can navigate at the same time to your desired destination. Of course, we are talking about the LTE version here. Hang on. One thing though, I want to share with you, and that is how you improve the accuracy for your Google Maps, but also for your fitness data in terms of GPS when it comes to your Galaxy Watch 4 and 5, and that is regardless of LTE or Bluetooth version. Go to your Galaxy Watch app shelf, go into apps, and then you go into permission. You scroll down until, well, you will find Google Maps, of course. Click on it, and then you enable physical activity. Now, whilst this option will help you and improve the overall accuracy for your Google Maps and the data that you have, it will also raise some questions here. We really don't know what Google is really using that data for, apart from making it more accurate for your workout and for your Google Maps and your history, and it will calculate timing better and what have you for when you navigate from A to B. But as we know, Google also collects a lot of data for their very own interests, so it is really kind of up to you if you want to share even more stuff with them. In order to receive the standalone navigation for your Galaxy Watch 4, 5 Pro, whatever, do the following. Go to your app shelf on your Galaxy Watch 4, 5, go to the Play Store, scroll down to Manage Apps, and then you will see that Google Apps simply needs updating. Once you have updated Google Maps, this option, basically the standalone option for your LTE version, is then added, automatically enabled, however you want to call it, but it is there to use it. I also checked the ability to download offline maps, and that is not here just yet. And in case you wonder, there is still no voice navigation, but there is the visual arrows in left, right, and the vibration on your arm, basically, when you wear the watch and navigate.